Do you know what the leading cause of death in the United States is? Here's a hint. It's not any infectious disease or external harm. It's heart disease. Yes, heart disease. This broad term that covers a variety of conditions impacting the heart's function, from coronary artery disease to arrhythmias, heart attack, and heart failure. It's an unseen enemy that's wreaking havoc on the lives of millions. The symptoms can be as subtle as a rapid heartbeat, shortness of breath, weakness, or fatigue. But these seemingly insignificant signs can escalate to severe chest pain, signaling the onset of a heart attack. Heart disease doesn't discriminate. It can strike anyone, regardless of age or lifestyle. Its impact on our lives is profound, not just in terms of health, but also the emotional toll it takes on us and our loved ones. Awareness is our first line of defense. Understanding heart disease, its symptoms, and its impact can help us recognize this unseen enemy. So let's delve into the symptoms and recognize the unseen enemy. Heart disease isn't just one condition, it's a cruel chameleon with many faces. The first guise of this adept shapeshifter is coronary artery disease. This occurs when the major blood vessels that supply your heart with blood, oxygen, and nutrients become damaged or diseased. It's a silent intruder, often causing no symptoms until a significant blockage develops. But when symptoms do appear, they often take the form of chest pain or angina, a sensation of pressure or tightness in your chest. Next we have arrhythmias or irregular heart rhythms. This is when the heart beats too fast, too slow, or with an irregular pattern. It's like a drummer playing out of sync in the orchestra of your body. Symptoms can include a fluttering in your chest, a racing heartbeat, a slow heartbeat, or even a brief pause in your heart's rhythm. Then, there's the heart attack, the most infamous face of heart disease. This is a medical emergency that happens when a blockage in your heart's arteries cuts off the blood flow to part of your heart. It's like a city experiencing a sudden power outage. Symptoms can be dramatic and abrupt, including severe chest pain, shortness of breath, and discomfort in your upper body. Finally, we have heart failure. This doesn't mean your heart has stopped working, but rather that it's not pumping blood as well as it should be. It's like a worn-out water pump struggling to keep up with demand. Symptoms can include fatigue, breathlessness, and swelling in your legs, ankles, and feet. Each of these forms of heart disease presents its own unique set of challenges and symptoms, but they all share one thing in common: they are serious conditions that require immediate attention and treatment. Recognizing these symptoms is the first step towards fighting back. Time is a crucial factor when it comes to heart disease. It's like an invisible clock, ticking away as the disease progresses, often undetected until it's late. But when we catch this unseen enemy early, we seize the chance to not just survive, but thrive. Early diagnosis of heart disease can significantly improve the quality of life. It opens the door to effective treatments tailored to the specific condition at hand. Be it coronary artery disease, arrhythmias, or heart failure, each has a different battle plan, and the sooner we strategize, the better the outcome. But let's not forget, some symptoms are the sirens of a medical emergency. A sudden chest pain, a rapid heartbeat, shortness of breath. These are not mere discomforts to be brushed off. They scream for immediate attention, for every moment matters in the face of a potential heart attack or stroke. So, let's listen to our bodies, let's be vigilant. After all, when it comes to heart disease, every second counts. Let's recap what we've discovered today. Heart disease, the unseen enemy, is the leading cause of death. It's a broad term that includes a variety of conditions, each with its own unique set of symptoms. From the relentless chest pain of coronary artery disease to the rapid heartbeat of arrhythmias, these symptoms can range far and wide. Yet, despite their differences, they all share a common thread. They're signals from your body, alerts of a potential issue with your heart. Ignoring these signs is not an option. Weakness, fatigue, shortness of breath, all of these can indicate a problem that needs immediate attention. The importance of an early diagnosis cannot be overstated. It not only improves the quality of life but also helps prevent further complications. If you experience symptoms of a heart attack or stroke, it's a medical emergency. Don't hesitate. Call for help immediately. Remember, knowledge is power. Stay aware, stay healthy.